Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm very excited to be showing you this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle in a long wheelbase. Now if you have any further questions about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our sales team on 0121 514 0632. And now without any further ado, let's get on with the 360 video. So this van comes in a lovely metallic paint in the reflex silver colour. Across the front of the van, this van comes with 5 chrome strips across the radiator grille, which matches the silver VW badging very nicely. Moving down to the bottom of the bumper, this van comes with front parking sensors as well as a colour park pilot display within the cab. As well as this van will also come with a front assist, which includes a city emergency braking function. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre diesel TDI engine that pushes out 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed automatic DSG gearbox. Across the front wings there is some lovely transporter badging accompanied by front indicators. Moving down to the wheels on this van comes with 17-inch 5-spoke Devonport alloy wheels as well as a steel spare wheel with original equipment tyre. So looking at the side profile of this van, it has a really nice finish. This would be down to the bumpers as well as the wing mirror caps and the door handles being matched in that lovely reflex silver as well. So taking a look behind one of the twin sliding doors, we'll take a look at this van's seating configuration. This Shuttle comes in the 9-seat pack, which is finished in a 333 and also comes finished in that lovely circuit cloth upholstery in a lovely titanium black colour. Taking a look now at the rear of the vehicle, this vehicle is fitted with a tailgate with a heated rear window and a wash wipe to make sure that visibility on the rear stays at 100% in all tricky weather conditions. Additionally, there are some rear parking sensors that display on the park pilot display within the cab. Taking a closer look at the boot space, this vehicle comes with a very spacious size as well as some lashing points if you needed to fix down some heavy or even fragile loads. The tailgate is also fitted with a handle for more ease of use. Taking a look on the other side, we can notice the rear privacy glass on the rear passenger compartment as well as the other sliding door on the driver's side. Taking a look at the interior now, this van will come finished with a 3-spoke multi-function leather finished steering wheel, an infotainment system as well as a passenger bench in a 2-bench configuration, as well as the driver's seat being fitted with the same cloth. The driver will get 2 armrests, perfect for those long journeys. So ladies and gentlemen, that covers most of the 360 walk around. If you would like to stay around for a more detailed look at the interior, then please do so. However, if you have seen something that you like, please do not hesitate to give a member of our sales team a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you. So thank you for sticking around. Getting straight into it, on the driver's door we have the controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors. This means that you can have no delays on those cold mornings. This van also comes with a leather finished 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel. On the right hand side, this allows the driver to customize their driving experience. The driver can select from a variety of options such as vehicle data, driving information, their favorite radio station or media input, or even connect a smartphone while operating in the legal requirements of the law. And on the left hand side of the steering wheel, there is options for the cruise control as well as volume up and down. This vehicle comes fitted with a Discover Media infotainment system where the driver and passengers can select from a vast variety of radio stations. This will include AM, FM and DAB radio. If radio isn't you or your passengers' thing, then there is the option to connect via Bluetooth. There is also capabilities to connect your mobile or smartphone as well as a voice activation system. Included is a NAV system in a 3D and 2D format. The 3D is very useful in new or existing cities to see the changes. As well as this, drivers and users can connect through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay and even App Connect. The driver can also view driving data and the vehicle status of the car, handy for diagnosing any issues on the road. Choice of heat or air conditioning makes the climate in this van extremely bearable in all weather conditions, as well as a look at some of the start, stop and parking sensor buttons, as well as a brief look at the Park Pilot display. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved use Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle SE long wheelbase. If you have any further questions at all, would like to arrange a viewing, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of our sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.